Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the battery for the Toyota Camry 2020, 2021 or 2022 or 23. So what we need to do is on this remote car key fob, we need to pull this latch over here and pull out this key. This is the glove box key, and in here you can see there is a small gap. You need to get a small tool or a screwdriver, and we put it into this hole right here. So insert that into the hole, just trying to put it at the right angle so you can see there is a small gap right here. Okay, so on this angle here you can see it, so I put that into the hole and then kind of like twist it. So you just need to kind of like twist it like this to get open. Once it is open, you can remove the battery. So here I'm just going to pry out the battery. So we need to get this and then pry out the battery. So we can take this one out as well, or we can just simply try to get a small tool underneath and then pry out the battery. Here I've got a small scissors, so you just put it down here like this and we pry out the battery. So what type of battery do you need? So here's the battery. It is a Panasonic CR2032 3V, so that's what you need. This is the battery that you need to replace. So after that you can put the battery back into the remote control like so, and then push it in, and then we put the cover back on and then just squeeze it, and now we put the key back in, and that's it. So when you press on the button you should see the light will flash, and that is how you can replace or change the battery for the Toyota Camry car key fob. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.